Hello everyone, got a video here on exhaust pipes. Sometimes you get them and they're kind of bent and out of shape, or something will fall on them if you got them laying around or if it comes off your car. But this one's kind of oval shaped, and I need to use it. So I need to straighten this, and they got a tailpipe straightener out that's a manual one. And I'll see if I can get a better shot of it here. But it says here it's unbranded, the name, so it's not really got a name on it, its brand name that is. But it's just this here little set, and you use a wrench or a socket and ratchet on them. And when you're using these, as you're twisting this here part, there's a nut on the end and it kind of sets into this part. But as you turn it, it expands as this here part slides into it and the other end slides in. Like that, and it opens up so far. There's 3 different sizes in it. A lot of people try to use these to stretch the exhaust pipes, and with these cheaper brands you cannot do that because it'll ruin them. The nuts and that don't hold, the threads will strip on you. But they work good for just trying to get like the bends out of them or get them bent back into the round shape that they should be. So we'll do this here pipe, see how it does on it. I'll try to get a better view here for you. I'm going to stick this in the vise over here to hold it for me. And if you have a vise to put them in, it makes it a lot easier. Or if it's on the car already, you should be okay. On this here, it's for like the up to 2 inch or 2 inch and bigger. There's 3 different sizes of it all. On this here one, it won't slide in. It's just a little out of shape too much to get it to go in. And there's O-rings around these, so you don't want to put heat on them because it'll melt it. So never use heat on these. We'll go back to the medium sized one here and we'll get it in there and we'll straighten that just a little bit so I can get the bigger one in it. And this here one takes a 11/16 wrench or a socket and ratchet. They say also not to use the impact on these. Even though it'd be a lot faster, but it's probably where it gets so tight I'd probably mess the threads up. But just take and ratchet that until it expands to where you need it to. Okay, I should be able to get my other one in there now. These are really handy, especially if you do much exhaust work. If you can't afford the big costly ones, that is. That's hydraulic, and those cost several $1,000s or more to get one. And I'm a cheapo, so I just use stuff like this and sawzalls or whatever to cut the pipes. Now this one should fit in there okay. And once you get it in there, go ahead and start turning it. And this here one takes a 3/4, and the other one's also 11/16. So okay, now we'll back this back off and take it out and see what it looks like. I got this here set for around like 20 bucks, so they're pretty cheap. Unless you go with the name brand cosplayer ones. But if you're just doing small stuff like that, the cheap ones should work good for you. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's a lot better now. It's a lot straighter. So that's much better in the oval shape that it was. So that's just an easy, simple way to straighten your pipes if they're bent and you can't get them together up on the other ones. But they're really handy, like I said, and I'll put a link down below where you can get these. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.